In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a OneDrive direct download link. If you need to share a file or folder from OneDrive and want quick access to the link, this process is very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get the shareable link from OneDrive in just a few clicks. As you follow along, make sure you're already signed into your OneDrive account so everything matches what you see on screen. To begin, go to the My Files section in OneDrive. This is the main area where your stored files and folders appear. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the file or folder that you want to share. If you have a lot of content saved in OneDrive, it may help to scroll carefully or use the search and organization tools available in your account so you can find the right item faster. Next, hover your mouse over the file or folder you want to use. When you move your cursor over the item, you'll usually see additional options appear. This is a common OneDrive behavior, and it gives you quick access to actions like sharing, downloading, or managing the item. Be sure you're hovering over the correct file or folder before moving to the next step, especially if you're working with several similarly named items. Once the item is selected or highlighted, click the Share icon. This opens the sharing options for that specific file or folder. The Share menu is where OneDrive lets you control how other people can access your content. Depending on your account type or settings, the exact layout may look slightly different, but the Share option is the one you need. After the sharing window opens, click on Copy Link. OneDrive will generate a shareable link for that file or folder and copy it to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it wherever you need, such as in an email, a message, a document, or another platform. At this point, you have your OneDrive link ready to use. If your goal is to create a direct download experience, the copied link is the starting point you'll use. Just remember to double check the sharing permissions in OneDrive if the person receiving the link has trouble opening it. In many cases, access settings are the reason a shared link doesn't work as expected. And that's it. That's how to generate a OneDrive direct download link quickly and easily using the built-in sharing tools in OneDrive.